Good morning. Today I am delivering a lecture on family as this is one of the topic in sociology. So today I am discussing about what is family. So let's discuss what is family first. Family refers to the group of uh, comprising parents and children. It may also refers to a group of relatives and their dependents forming one's household. All these refer to compositional aspect of this institution. And another important aspect of family institution is common residence of its members. Definitions. There are various sociologists who gave their prominent definitions on the concept family. One of the definition is given by prominent sociologists, that is McIver and Page, that family is a group of defined by sex relationships sufficiently precise to enduring to provide for the procreation and upbringing of children. Then there is one of the famous sociologists, Eliot and Merrill, who defines it as one of the institution which is based on biological concept, and on the basis of that they form a social unit composed of husband, wife and their children. Next, characteristics of family. We are having different types of characteristics. These are generally the common characteristics on the basis of which we constitute family. One is a mating relationships, then a form of marriage, a system of nomenclature, a common habitation, an economic provision, system of interaction and communication. There are various general characteristics of family which are applicable in all the societies, whether it is developed or developing countries. So, the main common features of family institutions are: first, universality, which means that institution is common in all over the world. Second, emotional basis. In this, we can say that family is one of the institutions which provides us emotional support. Then, limited size. Every family is having limited size. Some are small in size and some are larger in size. But as far nuclearization is concerned, nowadays we are having small size families. Nuclear position. Next, formative influence. There is a formal structure of every family. Responsibility of the members. In this family institutions, we are knowing what are the responsibilities of ourselves or what are the responsibility of the members in that particular family. Then we are abided with certain social regulations also, that is discipline. Okay, so society we are having family, and on the basis of this we are following certain mores, folkways, culture, so that is known as social regulation. There is a persistence change in the family. Earlier we are having joint families and now we are having nuclear families, and that family members are replacing but family is still continuing, and that is why our society is continuing process.